Hi everyone, this is Cindy, and this is the third Thursday Thrift Flip Christmas in July. The hosts are Rustic Chicks Design and the Rusted Willow. The co-host is Shabby Meets Bling. So be sure to subscribe, like, save, and comment on their lovely channels. Their channels are listed in the description box below. Other collaborators are flipping Christmas items, so check out their channels also. The playlist is in the description box below. So let's get started. Now, because things have been a little crazy lately, I only did 2 thrift flips. Thrift flip number 1 is candle holders. The supplies needed include 2 candle holders, a bag of half beads, plaster chalk paint, candles or a glass hurricane, and wood glue. Now, these candle holders were given to me by a friend and thought it needed an upgrade or a flip. So I used plaster chalk paint and painted the candle holders and let them dry, because you see they were in the beginning gold and white. I don't know, they were, I would say, interesting. After that, I painted the half beads plaster and put them around the bottom of the candle holder and the top with wood glue. Now, originally I had put them around the middle, but thought it was a little bit too much, so I removed them later. So you'll see in the end that there are no half beads in the middle. I styled them with a candle, just a solid like 5-inch candle, and I had a Christmas hurricane that you can put on top and put a candle inside. It is a very, very simple thrift flip. So let me know what you think. On to thrift flip number 2, a sterling silver vase. Now, when I saw this, I was like, oh, I have to get this and I have to flip it because it is so beautiful. It's sterling silver and it's got like a gold ring around the bottom. So the supplies needed are very minimalistic, as you can see. You just need this thrifted sterling silver vase and some Wright's silver polish, or maybe you have some other kind. I didn't go to the store because I wanted to use what I had, which made me work a little harder on the sterling silver vase. And soft cloth. I found a sterling silver vase that was badly tarnished, but I thought, you know what, I can clean it up, bring it back to its original beauty, and use it a couple of ways. Now, this was very tough because, number 1, the polish was old, but I determined not to purchase anymore, and I was going to make it work. I was not going to leave the house and run to the store after work. So I rubbed and rubbed and rubbed and rubbed and cleaned it up until it sparkled. And as you can see, it can be styled for any season: spring, summer, fall, or winter. I also turned it upside down and used it as a candle holder. And you can put a Christmas candle hurricane on top. This is a simple thrift flip, but a sparkling beauty. And you can put flowers in it, or you can flip it up and put a candle on top. Let me know how you would style it. Well, that is all, Z9 Designs family. That's all the time I had this week. Make sure you subscribe, like, save, and comment. And I want to sincerely thank you for watching. So keep watching and commenting. Now, follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And I uploaded something on TikTok, and I have a special surprise for you for next week. So give me that thumbs up because it really helps my channel to grow. So remember, it is a curious thought, but it is only when you see people looking ridiculous that you realize just how much you love them. This is by Agatha Christie. Well, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.